My name is Mobin. I'm 26 years old and I'm from Iran.
Can you tell us your professional background?
Yeah, I have an MBA and I'm working in a holding. It's based on London, and I am a senior commercial expert, and I'm importing cars and papers to Iran.
Thank you. So Mobid, can you tell us why did you want to take the Toronto School Management's training workshop?
The main reason is my project. I have a startup project that I want to start in Canada because I found potentials in Canada, and I want to start it as an entrepreneur. And I just applied for these courses because I found they are really good and they can help me to start my project here, and it's really worked.
Can you tell a little bit about your project, please?
At first it's a surprise for all of the world, but my application is about selling the thing online to the people. It's really necessary for people to feel comfortable to buy anything that they want, and my application let them to do that.
Excellent. So what was your most fond memory of Toronto School Management and the workshop?
Having discussion with people from other countries, international friends. I found international friends here from Russia and Canadian great teacher. Mr. Ken, and I think the greatest thing that I get from these courses in Toronto School of Management is having international friends.
What's your most memorable thing about Toronto?
And Niagara Falls. I am natural lover, and I found Niagara Falls really great for me. And visiting Niagara Falls was my, great thing. I love it.
Last but not the least, so since you have some business experience in Iran, can you tell us what have you learned? How does Canadian business environment compare to Iran?
Okay. I searched a lot here, and I found that people in Canada are really think about their health, and they are really organic lovers. And I think we have nuts in Iran. Any kind of nuts, organic nuts in Iran, and it's really good to export it to Canada. And I found Canadian paper mills, very perfect Canadian paper mills in high quality A4 paper, paper pulp, wood-free paper, everything that they have, and we need it in Iran. And it's really famous in Iran that Canadian papers in Iran is really famous. And I think it's really good opportunity to have trading about nuts and papers from Iran and Canada.